Yes, now you can start.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, friends. I am Sumant Kumar from Marwari University in Information Technology branch, class 3 PC2, lab SC. And the title of my book is Old Man and the Sea. The author of the book was Ernest Mon Miller Hemingway. The Ernest Mon Hemingway was an American journalist, novelist, short story writer, and a sportsman. His economical, understated style, which he termed the iceberg theory, had a strong influence on 20th century fiction. While his adventurous lifestyle and his public image brought him the admiration from the later generation. About the book. The title of book is Old Man and the Sea, name of author Ernest Hemingway. The publication date of book is 1st September 1952 and the publisher was Charles Scribner's Son. Edition first edition, genre of book, literary fiction, number of pages 127 and the price of book is 150 rupees and the ISBN code is 0684801221. Summary: The Old Man and the Sea, a short historic novel by Ernest Hemingway, awarded in 1953 Pulitzer Prize for Best Fiction. The central characteristic an old Cuban fisherman named Santiago, who has not caught a fish for 84 days. The family of his apprentice Manolin has forced the boy to leave the old man fisherman. Though Manolin continued to support him with food and bread, Santiago is mentor to boy who caresses the old man and the life lesson he imparts. And by catching the huge fish named Marlin, after facing many problems and a big fight victory over the whales, and he proved that man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed but cannot be defeated. And the main character was Santiago. Why? Because he was the protagonist, a skilled fisherman who had deep respect for sea and all the natures, elderly a very poor man, and loved Manolin, his student, and taught him how to fish. All of his skill, expertise, and love of nature will live on through the boy. And he was so lonely, and the author gave him a symbol like Jesus Christ. And also, he was my favorite character in this book. Minor character was Manolin. Why? Because they true loves and respect the old man and a nurturer to Santiago. We learn all Santiago has to teach him about the fishing, the sea, and his respect for the nature. Will carry on Santiago legacy. Through him, Santiago will never die. He has the great deal of respect and administration for the Marlin. Although he had a harpoon through his heart, he was mighty enough to jump one last time to show his power and greatness. What I absolutely loved. Undoubtedly, the climax is the best part of the book, which I liked more. The climax is what this make book a winner. In the end, if you are sensitive and emotional reader like me, you cannot help but see uh, shared a tear or two for the old man Santiago and his undying spirit. What I not like. The Old Man and the Sea is difficult to read for somebody who isn't familiar with the fishing method, techniques, and equipments. And also, I not like the hidden meaning to find. It is very difficult to find the hidden meaning of that book and missing some entertainment quotes. What does I would like to change? And the book through the short reader is not easy one. I would like to change and add some entertainment quotes and easy meaning words and solve to hidden story with the easy meanings. Don't use much word related to jargons, methods, techniques, and equipment for fishing because it is not easy to understand for everyone. Recommendation for the students and many competitors as a motivational book who feel victorious, who crave to succeed in the eye of danger. I think every person have to read this book to generate their empathy about the old man. I give rating 4 out of 5 because I think the book Old Man and the Sea is very interesting book as it is tell the story of a struggle between wanting something but at the same time doesn't want to hurt him. But here I really miss the some entertainment quotes, so I give rating 4 out of 5. Thank you.
So good. It was a good presentation, Sumant. Now, if anybody else and wants to share something, wants to give feedback, then they are welcome.
Excellent, Sumant. He's mentioned all the part of the book review. So excellent, Sumant.
Anything else? Anybody else want to share something? So fine. So we are moving ahead, and I think we have started. Agenda has already been discussed. Today, what we are going to see is today you have to prepare the.
मैम आप अपना फीडबैक तो दिए ही नहीं.
I have said that it was good. You are late, but yeah, I agree with the same thing. You are late, but good. It was good presentation. But this book is. I agree that the language is difficult because I have also read. I have read this book. Um, I think not once, but twice I have read this book, so I know this thing that because in one reading you can't able to get all these things, so you have to read twice. Even I have read this book twice, so that's why I know the book is difficult to understand, but it was good because and the writing is difficult, language is difficult. The reason is that because the Ernest Hemingway himself received Nobel Prize. He received Nobel Prize for the same book in 1956, I think. So he received the Nobel Prize for the same book. So you can
1953
understand,
for this book.
yeah. So you can understand the level of his writing. And the second thing, he also received the Pulitzer Prize for the same book. So he received many prizes for the same book. So that's why the language might be difficult. So it's good. Now next, we have already started the agendas. Now today you all have to prepare the minutes of meeting on the base of the same agendas. Now we have to shown us. You have to prepare that the meeting has been done, and now from on the base of the agenda, you have to prepare the minutes of meeting. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And what
Ma'am,
is the?
meeting is same as agenda.
No, it's not same. I think I have already taught or not.
Taught, ma'am, but little bit forget.
Fine, I'm going to show the PDF for this thing. So you, if you want to end, if you want to, you can say edit something, or if you want to take a reference, then you can take just give me a second so I can open. Here there is a format, or you can say you can take an example. It is your choice. I'm not telling you that you have to copy like that way, because there are thousands, lakh of formats are there. You have to select as per your requirement. It's not like that whatever because it's all about the creativity, that how you can present, how you are writing the minutes of meeting, but it should be in a formal way. But formally it depends how you are. You can use a tabular format, you can use paragraph, you can use bullet point, you can use numbering. It is your choice, but it should be in a, what you have to take care is that it should be in a formal, it's a formal writing. So we have to write our, use our language in a formal way. And second thing is that we are discussing the past thing. Keep in mind this thing, generally minutes of meeting are always used to be written in a past form, because this meeting has already been conducted and now you are writing. So please keep in mind this thing, it should be, generally it is in the past form. You can use as per your format. You can choose, there is no specific format, there is no specific format. You can but the point is you have to cover the points, otherwise you can write as per your own format. So there is a, you can see there is a 1 minutes of meeting, so that way you have to end. So first is the address, and how you have to discuss the meeting was held, and this thing, on which time, on which date the meeting was held. Then how many numbers of persons were present? The list of the present, it means attendance, present members, present committee member in attendance list, attendance list. You can write the main person, or you can say main those who are, you can say, involved in this meeting. Attendance sheet, you can say. You can see the points are there, 1 2 3 4 5, whatever you have discussed in the agenda, you have to check that whether this thing has been discussed or not, and you will get the answer at the end. You have to, it followed by date, secretary and chairman, both the signatures are there. If more authorities are connected, then we have to take the signature of the more authorities, but here it is all about secretary and chairman, but you just prepare the secretary and chairman like right now. So you no need to go further deep in, go into deep. There is another format, you can say it's like a tabular format. You can use tabular format, it's your choice. The same way address, cub meeting fee, Present कौन थे in attendance? So in attendance means what? Who was the secretary? Who was the auditor? Who is the solicitor? So that way, who is the, you can say, main person who handled the meeting? That way we have to write. Now it is in, we can say, tabular format. So that way you can write. Or else if you do not want to write like that way, then you can write like, as I told you, you can write like this way. Even there is no specific format. कोई specific format है ही नहीं. आपको जैसे whatever you feel that I have to write in a bullet form. Even instead of numbering, you can write bullet point. You can write. You can say you can use paragraph system. It's your choice. You can use tabular format. So am I clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you please prepare, and you Arman Ali and all of you, please at least finish this task in the given lab only, because what will happen? Otherwise, if you don't finish this task in lab, it will in this given lab, then it will, you can say, it will, you can say, it will, आपका ही काम बढ़ जाएगा. My point is that it will be overburdened, and you have to finish this work once you finish the lab पूरी होने के बाद आपको करना पड़ेगा. So it is better that
Ma'am,
you finish.
we had finished, but time over.
Yeah, you finished. Who told me?
Abhishek, ma'am.
तो मैंने आपका नाम लिया, अभिषेक.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, then why you answered me? मैंने किसका नाम लिया?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, अरमान अली का क्लियरली बोला ना मैंने. So, and it is for those people, clearly I have mentioned that those who are unable to do this thing, for them I am telling that please finish this task in given lab. Otherwise, if you have to do by hook or crook, you have to do it. I'm not really telling that you have to finish the work in the given lab only. आप आज ही पूरा कर दोगे तो अच्छा है. नहीं करोगे तो you have to finish once the lab got ended. जब लैब पूरी होने के बाद करना पड़ेगा. तो इट्स बेटर कि मैं आपके लिए बोल रही हूँ, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. आप अभी करो या फिर शाम को करो या कल करो. हाँ.
I am finished all the tasks on upcoming lab. All tasks. Totally.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is for you all.
Resume part is resume writing. Resume writing.
Yeah, resume, it is also,
All.
yeah, you have to finish.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Resume is already given in.
Yeah, I don't want anything. मैंने क्या बोला? I don't want anything. But when the submission is there, you will be asked. Yeah, minutes of meeting will not be asked. Don't worry in submission. But you have to ready with the work whenever you will be asked. So right now you have to finish this. You can say this minutes of meeting. At least try to finish one, not twice, then two. अब एक तो पूरा कर दो, एक तो हो ही जाएगी. Try to finish both these minutes of meeting. Otherwise no हो तो एक तो कर ही देनी चाहिए. So I can only at least check कि मैं आपको बता सकूं. इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. Otherwise if you do not want to check, then it's also fine. It can save my time as well as your time. So it's your choice. So fine. Your time starts now. Hurry up. Finish this. You can say yes,
हेलो
Suman.
मैम.
Yes, Suman.
मैम एक बार इन अटेंडेंस और प्रेजेंट में क्या डिफरेंस है वो बता दीजिए.
Just a second. Yeah, I'm telling. Attendance means what and present means what. Those who are present, it means you can see the difference. This many you can say persons were present in this meeting, and attendance means what? In this attendance sheet, they were the attendees. Attendance means what? You can see the designation is written. Honorable Secretary, Honorable Secretary, Joint Honorable Secretary, and Treasurer. So these are the, you can say, important person who have, you can say conducted the meeting. Are you getting my point?
Like you.
Not like me. What like me? Those persons who conducted the meeting. You can say these are the present person, but these persons were conducted the meeting.
मैम जैसे अभी मीटिंग हो रहा है तो
Yeah, if
प्रेजेंट
I
में हम
conduct the
सारे
meeting, then my name is in the attendance, and your name will be in the presenter. You were present, but you haven't attendance. Are you getting my point?
ओके ओके
Yeah.
यस मैम
But right now you write any ABC name XYZ. Don't write any correct name or wrong name. For name doesn't matter, but you have to write. You have to just follow the format. Format means no specific format, but this kind of things are should be there. Whether you write in whatever way, कैसे लिखना है वो आपके ऊपर है, लेकिन इतनी होनी चाहिए चीजें। आप आपको टेबुलर में लिखना है, पैराग्राफ डालना है, बुलेट फॉर्म डालना है, ये 1 2 3 ये नंबरिंग यूज करना है, वो आपके ऊपर है, लेकिन ये होना चाहिए, बस नहीं है। और हमको कभी भी सही चीजें एग्जाम के डोंट राइट the right information in examination right now it's fine, but if it is right, it has been asked that on behalf of your university, on behalf of your college, that you have to prepare minutes of meeting or agenda, then my point is don't mention that MEFGI, or you can say Marwadi University, don't mention like that way, because it will be, you can say, it will put you in the trouble. So instead of create any kind of hypothetical university like ABL, and if you don't find any kind of name in your mind at that time, then you can write like ABC University, or you can say XYZ College, like that way, XYZ Engineering College. But don't write the right correct name in your final examination, if it will be, if it will be asked. Okay, right now you can write, right now you can find, but not for examination. So fine. Yeah, you can start, all of you. So done, all of you. Are you all ready? Is done or not? Or do you require some time to finish? Please let me know what is your status. Okay, fine, no problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my phone is about to die.
Yeah, no problem. What you can do is in next lobby, please be remember that your
No,
turn is
ma'am.
pending. Okay.
No, ma'am. I saw you.
Okay, fine. Then you can show. No
Oh,
problem.
okay, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Okay, sorry, sorry, sorry. Ma'am, am I presenting?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have today we will discuss about meeting minutes. The regular meeting of XYZ Private Limited and they held on 25/9/2020 at Gopalganj Bihar at 12 p.m. With the approval of the directors presented, ABC chairman acted as chairman of the meeting and ABC secretary recorded the minutes. The agenda was approved as distributed and our agenda was also cleared. The minutes of the previous meeting were approved as distributed. We have discussed about our new member and we have discussed about financial and about performance award. We have discussed about how to implement our new rule. Here is our attendees A B C D E F G H I and adjournment. Meeting was adjourned at 2 p.m. by CF. The next meeting will be at 12 on 26/9/2020 in Gopalganj, Bihar. Minutes submitted by XYZ, approved by JFT. Thank you, ma'am.
So fine. It was good, but what I wanted to suggest to your minutes of meeting is
Yes, ma'am.
that keep in mind one thing is that minutes should always you can say instead of writing that we discussed, it is collective voice, but it would be better if we use passive voice like it was discussed in our previous meeting. So if you start like that way, it would be more appropriate and it would be more proper. Otherwise, instead of, because we discuss is active voice, but in passive voice, if you write in a passive voice, then it would be more, or you can say, instead of subjective, it should be objective. So it can we can avoid the personal pronouns like we and I and everything. So it would be better. Otherwise, it's fine. The structure and
Ma'am,
the format was good. Yes, Abhishek.
ma'am, your meaning is that I should write it was discussed
Hmm. In passive
instead of
form.
we have discussed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Exactly right. Exactly.
Okay, I got
Passive
it
voice.
and implemented next.
Okay. Fine. No problem. So once when you write the next minutes of meeting, now you please take care about this thing. So only
Yes, ma'am, I
Udit is there.
implement
What about
that role.
others? Yeah. Good. What about others? Only Udit is here. Where are others? Only two students are there. Very good. And even in this, Abhishek is also facing some issue. It means tech battery is low. So it's fine that you have done at least. But what about others? Sumant was there. Arman Ali was there. I think Arman Ali will come again. He will be for namaz and he will come back within. I think so. He will join us, rejoin us. But Sumant is. I don't know about Om Prakash, and there are so many students. 8 students are there. Only two are there right now. So fine. No problem. We will deal with this two women. Abhishek, once you when your battery got die, you can leave the session. Your attendance will be marked. Okay.
मैम 8% है जब तक है तब तक है
No problem. I'm telling that I will mark you present, so don't worry. So
मैम
once
एक वर्ड है
हाँ बोलिए।
जैसे में हम लोग किसी को नहीं बोलते हैं लोग कि ज़्यादा हड़बड़ाओ मत। मैम इस टाइप का सेंटेंस अगर बनाते हैं तो मतलब कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में? जैसे मैं मुझे लगा कि यहाँ पे हरी होना चाहिए, हरी।
हम्म
लेट्स डू हरी।
हम्म हाँ
डोंट
हरी
डू
है।
दिस हरी।
डोंट बी इन हरी, डोंट बी इन हरी।
डोंट बी इन हरी।
या
ओके।
Ma'am, may I present?
yes you can present.
Ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, visible.
Sorry for the minutes of meeting. Last annual meet, ABC Private Limited. Issue date, September 12, 2020. Latest review, September 24, 2020. Date of meeting, 25th of September 2020. Venue of meeting, 25 Wellington Square, Chelsea, West London. The time of the meeting was 4 p.m. to 7:05 p.m. Evening Post. The meeting was called by chairman on behalf vice chairman on behalf of the chairman. The attendees were A.K. Jha, chairman, S.K. Gupta, vice chairman, Soumya Garibal, facilitator, and Nupur Awasthi, CFO. The presenter was Rahul Sharma, the former secretary in Melbourne, London, and the present co-star. The meeting was presented to Tagbir Kaushik, the manager in Lokhandwala branch, India, DROI, CR in West London, Dhanush Tareja, senior secretary, Los Angeles, USA, and Rahul Sharma, former secretary, Marylebone, London. In presenters, there were also the board of directors, the venture capitalists, the shareholders, and the support and staff. The meeting's agendas were to introduce the board of directors, which was done on 25th of September, 4:03 o'clock. The chairman's report review, which was done on 4:17 p.m. on the same day. Third agenda was to adjourn the previous meeting. Previous meeting adjournment records were checked, and this was done at 4:50 p.m. Then the client's requests were reviewed at 4:28 p.m. on the same day. Then the financial statements of the year 2020 were concluded, and the deadline was supposed to submit the report was on December 1st, 5 o'clock. And at last, the last agenda, that is to discuss the new business partnership, was done at 6:30. The meeting ended at 7 o'clock. Thank you.
So far it was good, but what I wanted to suggest one thing is that uh,
Yes, ma'am.
you even mentioned that for last agenda and second agenda, it's fine. But if sometimes if in examination if it minutes only asked and agendas were not there, then you need to write in the full form sentences, because at that time what is 6:30 stands for what thing, it might be confusing. So for this thing you need to write in clarification. Otherwise, when meet agendas and minutes of meeting both are there, then it will be fine. Otherwise, if one thing is will be asked in examination, then be careful. Otherwise, it was perfect.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. And I'm happy that you remove your mistake and rectify your mistake like capitalization. Still, I remember the first letter.
Yes, ma'am. It was I just rushed and it just
Yeah, I
came on
got.
the mark.
Yeah, I got it. I still remember. So fine. Now is what we are supposed to do because nobody is there.
Ma'am, one more is left and it will be done in 5 minutes.
Okay, fine. Yeah, you can do it. You can prepare this one even. I'm here. Yeah.
Sure, thank
You
you, ma'am.
all can start another one. You both can start another minutes of meeting. Once you're done, let me know.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
You have prepared 1 minutes of meeting, but there are two agendas. So once you have prepared one meeting, so another minutes of
Okay,
meeting
okay,
is
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, you can share your screen then. Yes, share your screen.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Minutes of meeting, annual function, Banaras Hindu University, date of meeting, 20th September 2020. Venue of the meeting, Banaras Hindu University, East Road, Meeting Hall. The time of the meeting was 1 p.m. noon sharp. The meeting was called by S.K. Dubey, the current director of BHU. The attendees were Nimisha Sinha, head girl, Ashutosh Mehra, head boy, and Aniket Thakur, principal. The presenter of the meeting was Tushar Jha of the 7th Sem Electrical. The presentees were Ayush, Shantanu Kumar, Priyaranjan, Ujjwal Singh, and others. The, the agendas of the meeting were the functions to be presented were enlisted on 20th September at 1:05 p.m. noon sharp. The participants and the participation listed on the same day at 1:23 p.m. Incoming guests and honorable chief guests were decided by the principal himself at 1:48 p.m. The presenter, Mr. Tushar Jha, suggested the budget as per the decided plans at 1:59 p.m. on the same day. The director then announced the prizes and rewards for the participants and the winner at 2:33 p.m. The enlisted events are to be organized and be prepared. The deadline is November 27, 2020. The speech of the director and the callings to be made by the host are to be prepared by the head boy and the head girl. The deadline is 4th of November 2020. The meeting ended at 3 o'clock. Thank you.
So it's, you can say it's far, far, far better than the previous one even. And one thing again, I would like to mention this thing that your handwriting is also improved. When I show in the my first session, first lab session, when I think report writing or letter writing were there. So it's good that you all are improving your handwriting even. So good. Yes, Abhishek. Can you please share your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Minutes meeting. Marwari Education Foundation Group of Institutions, Rajkot, Gujarat. The regular meeting of Marwari Education Foundation Group of Institutions and held on 18 September 2020 at near PG building at 12 p.m. With the approval of directors present, XYZ acted as chairman of the meeting. ABC is the secretary of this meeting as minutes recorded. The agenda was approved. The minutes of previous meeting were approved. It was discussed the financial matter for the annual function. It was discussed how to decorate the stages and bulbs. It was discussed who is our guest and how to respect them during function. It was discussed what is our first program and last program. It was discussed what is our role during this program. It was clear that all the urgent matter. Attendance, HOD, CC, register, CR. Adjournment. Meeting was adjourned at 2 p.m. by Chairman XYZ. The next meeting will be at 12 p.m. on 26 September 2020 near PG Building. Minutes submitted by Dr. Pintu Meman, approved by Dr. Pintu Meman. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good, Abhishek. Again, it was also, I can say, better than the previous one. But what I wanted to suggest one thing is that it was discussed. Now it's perfect that you have started to write in passive voice, but still there are some grammatical error, but very minor mistakes are there. So it's you can say it's far better than the previous one. So it's good.
Yes, ma'am, I improved myself day by day.
Yeah, good. So good. I mean, I have seen that you left alone for a long time. That's why, yeah, yeah, good. But now we have to cultivate the habit of writing because the reason is that we have to write the paper. That's why. No, if you are thinking that the corona is there and what kind of examination pattern is there, but in future, still there are you can say 3 years to go to get the degree, and all the papers will be in handwritten form. So that's why. But it's good that today even handwriting was good. This handwriting was good, and your Abhishek, your grammar was also day by day improving. So good. Now, anything else? Anybody else want to share something? Because I don't think so. Now anybody can will may join today.
No,
So
ma'am.
yeah. So thank you so much, both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.